Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm so excited to be able to do these videos for you. I work alongside a team of coaches at withmyexagain.com, Coach Natalie, Coach Steven, Coach Samir, and Coach Alex. And we've dedicated our lives helping people all over the world find happiness and love and to recover from a tough breakup, separation, or divorce. I wanted to do a video on how to get an ex to chase you, because this is a question that we get quite often in our YouTube comments under videos just like this one. And I wanted to address that. So what can you do to get your ex to chase you during your breakup recovery process? And funny enough, when people approach the process the right way, that's exactly what happens. I'm not into the business of helping people get quick fixes and band-aid solutions to get back together. I'm in the business of helping you rebuild a sustainable foundation to be in a healthy relationship with your soulmate for a very, very, very long time. A happy and fulfilling relationship. And our philosophy is about personal transformation. It's about personal growth, addressing the issues that went wrong and being that person that you always should have been throughout your relationship. And so, quite often, when you approach the process the right way, when you seek time and space to rebuild yourself, to regain confidence and well-being, well, your significant other starts to panic once they've experienced what life without you is like, and they usually chase you, okay? Human beings tend to overvalue what they don't possess, the grass is greener on the other side, and take what they have for granted. And even in cases where an ex quickly jumps into a relationship, it is possible to make them chase you as long as you don't overreact, as long as you don't lose control over your feelings and your emotions, and as long as you don't chase and act needy and desperate and beg and plead. Some of you know what I'm talking about because after your breakup or separation or divorce, you probably were vulnerable too and made some of those common mistakes. And if you did, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. We can turn things around together and get your ex to chase you as long as you start to act the right way, as long as you approach your breakup recovery process the right way. And so the key, of course, is to focus on yourself. The key is to be happy without your ex, to be able to move forward, to reach certain goals that you've set for yourself without them in the picture. Because if you are happy without your ex, they're going to start to panic. You will have transformed yourself into the person that they always wanted to be with. And that's a scary feeling because then someone else is going to benefit from the groundwork that they had done. And quite often, when people start to change and transform themselves in this way, the ex can become bitter and resentful because you are the person that they always wanted to be. You are the person that they always wanted to be, and they feel like they get often cheated by you because you had it in you and you didn't do it. And as long as you're able to reestablish a healthy communication platform, as long as you're able to not be so threatening to them and sometimes do the first step to reconnect and to show them that you're not competing with them, that you're not trying to make them feel jealous, that you're not trying to make them feel bitter, resentful, that you're genuinely happier and that you want them to be happy too, even if it's not with you, then an organic process starts to occur. And that's when an ex can start to chase you because you're no longer seeking or seeping desperation. You're no longer on your knees begging for them to take you back. And so you are attractive. Confidence and well-being equals attraction. And if you have regained your confidence and you are happy, quite honestly, the odds are that your ex will chase you. And this is what happens with clients of mine all the time. I have the unique opportunity to work with clients all over the world. And no matter what culture, no matter what age, no matter what gender, once people approach the process the right way, amazing things tend to happen. And you regain power over the power struggle very quickly. Or at least we're able to level the balance of power very quickly. And so I encourage you to not cut corners and to not seek your ex's validation. It's not about them chasing you. It's about you being happy. And it's about being together. And so even if your ex doesn't chase you, ultimately, if you're happy and you're together, what else matters, right? So I encourage you to be positive and to approach this process the right way, once again. If you have questions about anything related to this topic, please leave your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below. One of our members of our team will reply to you. We try our utmost. We get inundated with requests, comments, coaching sessions, but we do what we can to be there for you. And we've expanded the team for that purpose. So don't hesitate to leave your thoughts. We will answer. As always, approach this process the right way. Keep fighting the good fight, and amazing things are going to happen. Take good care, and see you soon.